Hello friends, if you are planning to move to Germany, you must have given a thought on learning German language. Many a times I am asked how important is a German language or what is the real motivation behind learning German. So, based on my personal experiences, I would give you top 5 reasons why German language could be a game changer. So, let's get started. Well, my name is Parikshit and trust me, whatever plans you have for your future, the knowledge of German language is definitely going to help you in personal as well as professional life. So stay tuned because the last 2 reasons might surprise you. The first reason why I say German language is a game changer is the huge high paying job market in Germany. Be it student job, internship or a full-time job. The language German or the German language proficiency gives you a very significant advantage over other candidates in the selection process. Now, if you are from engineering background or medical background or MBA background, then and you want a very good job in a good company, then you would need to have a very good German language proficiency. This advanced German language proficiency would be approximately B1 or B2 level. On the other hand, if you are from IT or data scientist background, then this requirement is slightly lenient. So in this case, it may happen that you don't need German at all, but a basic German language proficiency is always good to have. Because if you want to climb up in the hierarchy, then it is always good to have a basic German language proficiency. Now, if you are sitting somewhere outside in Germany and you want to know that how would I check exactly that how much German language proficiency you would be needing, then just open any job description or your favorite job description in your favorite company in Germany, and in this job description it would be written what is the exact level of German you require. So now coming to the second point, that is also very important. This is regarding the education or basically the funded education. Now you all know the education in Germany is almost free. So in spite of that, the government gives generous amounts of scholarships to the students. These scholarships could be for academic excellence, learning language, it could be for social engagement, having an exchange semester or even just for traveling. So if you know German or if you have a very good German language proficiency, then your chances are very high that you can apply to all this majority of the scholarships and you also win those scholarships. Now, the third important point is smooth bureaucracy. You might be knowing that right from the application of visa to finding an accommodation in Germany to applying for a PR, you would definitely be requiring a basic German language proficiency to deal with the bureaucrats. Now, it is possible that you get over these steps without German language, but then in those situations, you will have to depend upon your friends who would translate your documents or who would translate the conversation or any third person. So this would definitely complicate your matter. So it's always good to have at least A1, A2 level German language proficiency so that you could handle the bureaucrats as well as normal life. Now, coming to the last 2 reasons why German language is a game changer, and among these, the first one is a career option. So just imagine German as a career option. Now, Germany is becoming a very famous destination for students as well as expats. In such a scenario, the demand for German teachers is increasing day by day. When you are in Germany, you get a very practical experience or a very first-hand experience regarding living with German people as well as knowing their accent, their culture as well as tradition. And therefore, you should definitely consider this as a career option. You can definitely consider this as a part-time or a full-time option if you are interested in learning language. Now the final and the most important thing is exploring culture. Yes, even with the basic level of German language proficiency, you can interact with the German students as well as people living in Germany. You get to know about different culture, traditions as well as a typical work hard, party hard attitude. So just imagine, you would be surprised that many a times these friends as well as people might give you very insider information as well as insider tips regarding learning language, applying for jobs as well as visiting very beautiful places. There could also be possibility that you get to know someone who is working at a Rathaus, which is basically an administrative house, or someone who tells you about how to apply for tax, how to save money, how to invest in money, the different opportunities. So this is a very big thing that you would realize only when you come to Germany. Well, long story short, don't worry too much regarding learning German language, because if you are an average to good English speaker, you can easily learn German language. One of the reason being majority of the words as well as grammar is comparable to English language. Besides, no one, trust me, no one expects you to learn 100% or to be 100% fluent. The people here are quite understanding. They also know that you are an international student who has lived in a very different scenario for approximately 20 years. So they are quite encouraging even if you speak broken German language. So I hope you got the point that learning German in Germany is a game changer. If you learned something new, then do consider giving a thumbs up and subscribing to this channel. I would be coming up with similar interesting videos so that you make informed decisions.